Welcome back to my channel, my dear lovely viewers. Today I know I promised a lot of videos, even though I had Deep has closed their form for response form, but I don't think there is any official announcement about closing of the testnet. So those who are interested, I'll be dropping a video later today. But for now, for those who have been using iPhones and they don't have Android devices, so that I can carry everyone along, this video will show you on how to go about using extensions on your mobile, on your iPhones rather. So here, just pay attention and watch as I go ahead with this. You need to go to App Store. When you go to App Store, you search for Orion. It's Orion browser. So this is it. You can see by Kagi. I already have it on my phone. It's the first browser that supports extensions on iPhone. So you can see this is the Orion browser, and I'll show you there are some extensions I already have there. You can see I even have grass here, and let me show you the extensions. The only extension I have right here right now is Grass Light Node. You can see that's the first extension up here, which is Grass Light Node. You can see this is it. So I can just decide to just log in again. So you can see it's not logged in yet. So you can see I'm logged in already now. So that's my Grass node. So you can see I've just logged in an extension on my iPhone. So that's just how you need to go about. You can always check, for example, you want to add Phantom wallet extension. You see, this is it here. Unlike Chrome and Mrs. Browser on iPhone, it's not been working. So I believe this is one of the first. This is the first, if I'm not mistaken. Then you click on Add to Orion. Once you click on Add to Orion, you automatically download and add to your extension. And once you check your extension section, you would see it there. So let's just wait while this downloads. After it's downloads, then I will show you where you find it. So down here you can see where the download is loading. At the top down bottom side of the phone is almost done. Boom, it's done. So here I'll just click on add, and I'll just click on this. You can see the Phantom is now the first extension on my browser. So you can go ahead, you can download as much as any extension as you want, except for probably the sites they don't support or something, but you can download as much extension as you want. So thank you very much for watching my video, guys. See you in my next video. Watch out for Deep video, and also I'll be making a video on how to farm grass effectively. So watch out for my video, guys. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.